Hello, I am Owen Sterling, and people say I'm the best detective on the police force. On the events of May 18th, a phone call was made by Miss Amy Stape, who reported that her employee Daniel Moore did not show up for work.